Did you know you can make any fruit powder from fruit in the comfort of your home, saving you so much money? This is blackcurrant powder from Blackcurrants in my garden. Let's show you how you can make any fruit powder. Start by making a puree. It's the best thing to do because fruits have got high sugar and they take long to dehydrate. But when you increase the surface area by making a puree, it's easier. So I pop this puree in the baking sheet in my oven at 45 degrees Celsius. You can use your dehydrator if you have one. After 24 hours, I had fruit leather. You can actually have fruit leather, but blackcurrant is high in vitamin C and it's really tart, so you wouldn't really enjoy the fruit leather. Next step, I chopped this up. Somehow my camera missed this clip, so I cut this into smaller bits and then blended it. Blended form was not really smooth. I popped this back in the oven to dry and make it a bit more crisp for about 3 to 4 hours. After which I put this back in my blender again. You see the crumbs, blended it into fine powder and sieve. This is how you can make any fruit powder, fruit supplement whatsoever. You can use this for your smoothies, your juices, your baked goods, and you have high vitamin content in a small concentration, saving you freezer space as well as giving you this thing easy, and it's so good. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.